Have you ever bought a melon at the store, like a cantaloupe or a honeydew, only to get home and realize you have no idea how to cut the thing up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and safely cut up any melon and the right knife to use for the job. We'll begin with our cantaloupe, and no matter what kind of melon you're cutting, I recommend using a long serrated knife just like this. This is also called a bread knife. So what you want to do is put your melon down, and here's the thing with melons. They're round, right? So that means they're inherently slippery. We don't want slipperiness when we're cutting food, so what we want to do is give it a flat edge. So the first thing we're going to do is just cut off the ends. And here's why I like using a serrated knife just like this, because you can just saw through this easily. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other end. And we're going to try not to waste much fruit here. So see, we now have a nice flat surface to work with that's not going to slip. This is much safer than dealing with a wobbly fruit. Now from here, you just take your knife and just saw down the sides, just like this. And see, this is taking off that rind quickly and easily. And we'll just go around the entire fruit just like this. Now I know you can buy cut up fruit in the store, but I like to buy whole fruit like this because, first of all, it's a lot cheaper. This only cost about $3 for this entire cantaloupe, whereas if you were to buy one cut up already, it could be twice that. Also, that pre-cut fruit tends to get kind of soggy and a little bit gross, but with the fresh fruit, you know you're getting a nice, crisp fruit. Now from here, we're just going to cut this in half, and then we're going to take out the seeds. And I just like to use a spoon and scoop out these seeds. And you can throw these away, you can compost them, or you can put them in the ground and try to grow a cantaloupe. And we'll do the same with the other half. Okay, we've removed the seeds and the skin. Now all we have to do is just cut up the fruit. And you can cut this in whatever size chunks you like. I like to do this, just kind of cut in slices. And then from here, keep on cutting. And again, with the serrated knife, you can just kind of saw through it quickly and easily. And see, you're left with these beautiful chunks of fruit. Delicious. Okay, now we'll do the same thing with the honeydew, and I should also note that I am using a cutting board here just to keep everything nice and in place, and also to protect the blade of my knife. So again, we'll just use a serrated knife, and if there's any like stickers or anything like this on the fruit, I like to peel these off so that they don't get stuck in the blade. Okay, so again, we want stability with this fruit, so we're just going to cut off one end here and then do the same on the other end. See, now it's nice and stable. So we will just cut right through in half. And this is where a big serrated knife works well. If you're using a smaller bread knife, it'd be a lot harder, but this, because of the length, you can cut through a longer fruit just like this. All right, then same thing, we will just take the seeds out of this. And we'll cut right through. Now you'll notice with this example, I didn't take the rind off the side. You can if you want to cut the whole thing at once into pieces, or you can also leave the rind on to serve it in sections. Some people like serving fruit this way because, well, you kind of get to play with your fruit a little bit more. See, the rind is on, I get to pick it up, and eat it just like this, but it's totally your choice. So that is how to cut up a melon quickly and easily, and that will work on any type of melon. Remember, flat sides are your friends, and a serrated knife works really well for this. I also have other videos regarding knife skills. I just did one on the 3 essential knives for your kitchen, and also another whole video on how to safely cut up vegetables and fruits. Now, once I have my melon in pieces, what I like to do is drizzle some lemon juice right over it. And what this is going to do is help prevent oxidation. Oxidation is what happens when air combines with the surface of, in this case, a fruit, and it kind of turns it brown, gets a little bit soggy and nasty. The acid, in this case the lemon juice, is going to help prevent some of that and give it a pop more flavor. Hey, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like. And if you're not already a subscriber to this channel, well, please subscribe. Thanks, and I'll see you next time on I Want to Cook.